Wallah We Can is a non-profit, non-political, and non-religious organization in France, and we try to rebuild schools, and we're trying to expand our program in the Middle East. Now working with local partners, we try to provide the funds necessary for the work there. But transferring funds to high-risk countries is quite difficult in France, but everywhere, regarding the operational obstacles and the regulatory banking system. Before using TransferMate, we tried to make like classic transfer via banking. We tried for months, and the money never transferred. So we had to get back the money from the bank. We had a timeline that we needed to respect. So the weeks and months we lost in transfer were really upsetting because we had people waiting there, we had municipalities working with us, and we couldn't afford the funds needed. And then we found TransferMate. We used TransferMate to realize the fund transfer between our bank in France and the local partners we have there. So by using TransferMate, we actually helped the people there because we ensured that the money could be transferred safely and without delays. So we could guarantee the respect of the timeline and guarantee also that the funds were coming to them and they could advance on their project. TransferMate is really simple to use. So you have a platform, you just put every information you need. Once the file is done, it's easy. You just transfer the money there. It's also banked in France, in Europe, so it's easy for us to transfer the money from our account to the account in Europe. It's easier than in those high-risk countries and it's faster. In France, if you want to make a transfer from a French account to another French account, it takes minimum 24 hours, especially for professional accounts like us. But with TransferMate, it takes 24 hours to go to Palestine or other countries, or maximum 48. And it's really important for us to be able to rapidly provide the funds necessary for the local people there. The administrative time was cut, I think, by half. Once you have all the file and all the documents you need, you just put it through TransferMate and then it's okay, it's done. You do not have to have this round around at the bank and everything is done. Yeah, I think the most interesting one was the gain of time we had. Like I said, with the banking system, we waited weeks, even not months. And with TransferMate, with a delay of 2 or 3 days, it was done. We really saved a lot of time going through TransferMate. I think that now that we know TransferMate and we know how to use it, we'll use it to make the project just go along and maybe try to do more projects because it will be easier for us.